Hi, I'm Amber,
And I'm Katie.
and we're here to show you a little bit about Tenleytown. First off, we are right next to the Metro here on the Red Line. We're about 7 stops to downtown to Metro Center. We are north of Georgetown, south of Friendship Heights and Chevy Chase. Katie, what else do you want to know about the area?
What's the medium home income here?
The median household income is a little over $183,000.
Okay. And house price?
The median home value is $806,000.
Okay. And what are the nearby schools?
High school is nearby. We have the Duke Ellington School of Arts in Glover Park, the School Without Walls on Foggy Bottom, and the Wilson High School is the public high school for this area.
And college?
We are right near American University. Actually, this area is known for being affiliated with American University. There's a shuttle that picks students up right at the Metro and takes them to the university, which is just about a half-mile away.
Okay, so this is a college town.
It is. It's a mix of college and families.
Okay, great. Let's take a walk.
All right, let's go see around.
All right, let's